Scientists have uncovered a unique kind of black hole, one that could be scattered across the universe and might even approach Earth at any moment. We're all familiar with the massive, intermediate, and stellar black holes, but there's another type that has eluded detection due to its minuscule size. Astronomers believe these elusive black holes may be drifting throughout the cosmos, potentially holding the key to the mystery of dark matter. They're known as primordial black holes. In the early moments following the Big Bang, before stars or galaxies had formed, certain regions of the universe were exceptionally dense and hotter than others. These dense areas couldn't sustain their own weight and collapsed, forming black holes. While 1 second may seem brief, in the context of a rapidly expanding early universe, it was ample time for many primordial black holes to form. Depending on the moment of their creation, these black holes could range from mere milligrams to thousands of times the mass of our Sun. In 1974, Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes can lose mass and evaporate over time. He noted that while larger black holes take much longer to evaporate, smaller ones do so much more quickly. This theory suggested that a substantial number of primordial black holes might have already disappeared, yet some may still be out there, hidden within the fabric of the universe. Hawking's calculations revealed that any primordial black hole with a mass greater than 4.5 trillion kilograms could still be present in the universe today. For context, 4.5 trillion kilograms is actually less than the mass of many asteroids within our solar system. But what would happen if a primordial black hole were to collide with Earth? These black holes travel at incredible speeds through space, and if one were to strike Earth, it would cut through the planet's crust like a hot knife through butter. If we're fortunate, the black hole would pass straight through and exit the other side of the planet in seconds. However, the collision would release energy equivalent to an impact from a 1-kilometer-wide asteroid, potentially annihilating an entire region and causing severe, lasting effects for the rest of humanity. Even in a worst-case scenario, humanity would likely survive such an impact. But there's another, more dire possibility. If the black hole were to lodge itself within Earth's core, it would spell catastrophe. The black hole would begin to consume the planet from the inside out, steadily growing as it devours more and more mass. Eventually, Earth could be entirely swallowed, disappearing into the black hole as if it had never existed. Fortunately, these kinds of collisions are extremely rare. Scientists estimate they might only occur once every billion years. So, for now, we have little to fear.